It's nice.
Oh, this one I picked. This is a classic repost, and I picked this for you, Will.
Okay.
So I don't want you to know what it is. It just says going for an ice cream. So just go ahead and play this. This is good. This is going to be copyright infringement. So hit us with the super chats because we're dead after this probably. So play it and full screen it.
Chocolate? Yeah. Let's go, honey.
Very scary vibes.
Okay, Will, pause it right. Pause it right now. What is that about?
I have no idea.
Who's that guy?
What is that about?
It's riveting.
What is that about, Will? Pause it right now. Go ahead.
What's happening?
No. Just take a shot. Oh, I can tell people what's happening. I'll paint the picture. So there's a woman and a young girl, and she bends over, and she's in the street, and she says, "Want to go get some ice cream?" She says, "Yeah, sure." And they start walking away.
Cue dramatic music.
And then dramatic music starts. And as they're walking down the street, they start getting glanced at by all types of different looking people that look threatening. And then they get surrounded by this threatening group of people. Mm-hmm. That's all that's happened.
Yeah.
And now Will's going to tell us, he's going to take his best guess about what he's watching.
I'm actually really not sure.
Yeah, this is very confusing.
You're not going to even take... Okay, go back to the beginning. Go back to the beginning. But pause it at this same moment.
This is obviously a commercial.
Shout out Pixel Mite. Yes, it's a commercial.
I get ice cream. Chocolate? Yeah. Let's go, honey.
It can't be a chocolate ice cream commercial, can it? Oh my god.
Okay, pause it. Right now. There you go. Shout out Jacob. Somebody in the chat says life insurance.
Oh my god.
Okay, Will, keep playing it right now.
All right, we
play
get
the
to
rest
know.
of it.
We
Here
get
you
to
go.
know.
Here you go. Play the rest of it.
Together, we can find a child by signing up for free wireless Amber Alerts on your cell phone.
Oh my god.
Whoa.
Oh my goodness. That was the commercial?
It all makes sense now.
So the woman offering the ice cream who looked like the mother of the girl was actually abducting the girl. Mm-hmm. And all the sketchy looking people got the Amber Alert because it's a commercial for Amber Alerts.
Yeah.
And
This guy.
he checks his
He's the hero?
He checks his Amber Alerts, man. Hey, don't judge a book by
I'm
its
not
cover.
judging, but like,
Don't judge.
I guess
Will.
it paints the picture of like, what is this? It's really riveting. I like it.
So anyway, this is a Canada special, by the way.
Oh,
this
is
is
it?
paid for by your tax money, as was mentioned in the chat there. We're big on the Amber Alert. See the OPP badge on the officer there, but they did this on purpose, obviously, because abductions are not what you think they are.
No.
It's-
I've gotten these Amber Alerts.
Yeah, and it's often somebody closely connected to the individual, or it's just not, the suspect might not be the way it is in the movies. And so what they're trying to, I guess, showcase here is that not to assume.
Yeah.
Not to assume that a kid is safe or whatever just because of the look of the individual that's accused of the abduction, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah.
They're trying to flip it around. And in order to do that, the way they're doing it is showing you sketchy looking people.
Yeah.
Or at least people you may associate or will is guilty of associating
Yeah, I'm very guilty.
with crime.
Right.
Right? And then it's actually you're wrong, and yeah, the woman is the criminal in this case.
Wow.
But
What a commercial.
it's definitely a flip. Look at the girl's face now. The little girl's like, "I hate you."
Yeah. So angry.
I hate you. Yeah.
Yeah. So, but again, this is a Canadian government thing, and the whole thing is it's kind of maybe it's too funny or too goofy to be effective. I don't know. Because I was thinking about that. I know what their agenda is, but then I watched it and I was like, wait a sec. It's maybe a little too humorous. Did they miss the note there? Like, it doesn't seem... Is it too funny?
It is very
I know
funny.
they didn't mean for it to be funny. Let's put it that way.
Yeah.
Really? You don't think they expected some people to chuckle at
I don't
this?
think they thought it was funny at all. Look at the way it finishes. They're like,
No, I know.
like call your whatever. Play it one more time. Play it one more time.
But these commercials have been done before by the
But it's
government,
just like
and they're
low,
typically funny.
It's low budget. I don't think it's meant to be funny. Play it. Play it. Play it.
Ice cream. Chocolate? Yeah. Let's go, honey.
What was in his hand?
I think keys. It looked like keys to me.
Together, we can find a child by signing up for free
Also,
wireless
look at
Amber
the
Alerts on your
phone.
cell
It's like a BlackBerry.
It's old. This is an old commercial. And in the
right.
back then, you had to sign up for Amber Alerts. This
Oh,
is the
really?
very early days. Now you don't have a choice, obviously. Everybody's got the Amber Alerts going. So, yeah, that's why it's a classic repost. But
You've seen the House Hippo commercial, right?
House Hippo, yeah, it sounds familiar, but I don't recall.
We'll save it for another episode.
Okay, save it for another episode. But this was posted unexpected. It's definitely unexpected, but I don't know, maybe it's too humorous for the topic. I don't know. I'm now conflicted. But it's definitely unexpected. Let's put it that way. Oh man.